The Chinese have a saying, and so do I. As it happens, so do I. Now hang on, it's not right and it's not okay. Give me one extra life. I only want to live twice. Looking at you, tripping on a star, sitting on the floor. I think I know what's in store, and it's sad for sure, but not unusual. I mean, we've seen this scene before. Now wait, remember the old fish I fear monger, each quarter-hearted martyrdom, each one a non-starter. Madam, I'm not quite sure if this is impolite, but by the blood of Christ, you didn't half look nice on that night. Cleaved yourself in half and back together again, could barely notice the mend. And now our world is ending. Now come on, might as well be friendly. You run along and catch the last of the traveller's checks, and I'd sit tight like a low battery chicken. Oh, I was kidding, but I used to be a werewolf, and I'm okay now. I never really took to the alfresco scene anyhow. Or just ignore these scenes that once again I was found sleepwalking down the road from the old house. Diamond eyes still dirty shine as you rise in, and then gradually soften like a dream is forgotten. I'm sure a floating upside down coat of pale pinkish light over gardens of crystal geraniums. I've no doubt know what you're on about. Your better nature is calling, a hair-raising warning. Look out, scoop out your brain and put it in a fridge freezer to pick up later at your leisure. And now the world is ending. We might be more than friendly. You run along and catch the last of the traveller's checks, and I'd sit tight like a low battery chicken. Oh, I'm just kidding, but I used to be a werewolf, and I'm okay now. Never really took to the alfresco scene anyhow. But ignore me, it seems once again I have been found. Freaky evening, a field near Stevenage, freezing, bleeding. Oops, I gone and done it again. But we're sitting